Hello, this is Trent Smith from the National Weather Service in Missoula, Montana, doing the fire weather briefing for Sunday, June 28th. The big story is the disturbance that will be moving through the area on Monday. The couple of things that are going to be occurring with this that could potentially cause some extreme fire behavior. The first is that we're going to continue the extreme heat across the area. Many locations are still going to be well into the 90s and even breaking the century mark across all fire weather zones. There is going to be some pretty high precipitable water moving in, causing the humidities to increase compared to the past several days, but we're still looking at minimum RH values being in the mid to upper teens throughout this period. This disturbance will also bring an increase in winds, especially during the afternoon hours. There is the potential for some gusts of 15 to 25 miles per hour in a few locations, especially up in the higher terrain. We'll probably see the greatest wind gusts from this system. With that precipitable water moving in, probably the bigger concerns is lightning. The best location for lightning appears to be across the southern part of 103 and 109, and then most of 110 and 111, the Beaverhead, Deer Lodge area. Looking for widespread, but again, we're also looking for some thunder across extreme northwest Montana and even along the Continental Divide. The precipitable waters again do increase pretty dramatically with these, so any cores that do go over your area, you could see some brief heavy rain, moderate rain with these storms. So they will be wet in nature if you do get a core over you, but we're concerned about the lightning that is outside the cores, and then with the heat that we've had over the weekend combined with the little bit of wind associated with this disturbance could cause a few areas to have pretty almost extreme fire conditions. The dry fuels are approaching record indices across the region, but there is still enough live fuel out there that we're keeping a close eye on the situation. Then the rest of the week, a low amplitude ridge can just kind of rebuilds over the area. It appears that Tuesday could be our coolest day, but most areas will still be running about 10 degrees above normal, and with humidities again being in the mid to upper teens on Tuesday. But temperatures will steadily climb with Friday potentially being fairly warm again, breaking the century mark across many valley locations, and humidities getting down into the single digits. Also with this low amplitude ridge, we're not seeing any perceivable moisture or precipitation affecting the area. This weekend, the models are trying to indicate some form of disturbance moving through, causing cooler temperatures, but again, above normal for this time of year with low humidities and scattered precipitation. Confidence is pretty low on the timing and features and everything, just keeping a close eye on things. So our next briefing is scheduled for Thursday, July 2nd. They'll probably provide you with more information on the upcoming weekend, but if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at the following numbers. Thank you.